The most challenging aspect of the CIO role is tremendous. And first and foremost, we're seeing the CIO role morph. We're seeing it become a CTO, which has a bit more of a technology company orientation to it, where you have product and engineering and software coming up through a single person. We're also seeing the Chief Information and Digital Officer, the Chief Technology and Digital Officer. And in fact, the winner last night of the CIO of the Year is a Chief Technology and Digital Officer with JetBlue. So I think the dynamic of all of that change makes it really hard to manage. And so technology leadership, rather than just a CIO, is having to gain stakeholder alignment, is having to drive execution and delivery on large-scale environments, going through significant modernization efforts and trying to become much more digitally inclined. They're working at the board level on the more strategic aspects of the firm. And talent is a big challenge. They're spending a lot of time dealing with talent, bringing the right talent on board, and at the same point in time doing everything they can to make sure that they've got succession in place. I think as it relates to all of the talent that we just outlined across the top role, overseeing technology from a enterprise level perspective, we've done a lot of research in that regard and developed an acronym called ADAPT. And so what ADAPT means is basically to anticipate, see what's coming, to drive, to execute relentlessly, to work towards accountability and making sure that everyone's aligned and focused on driving the relevant points. You have partnership starting to reach out, and that's been a theme today here at MIT. We've seen a lot of partnership from an organizational perspective with different enterprises to move more quickly, and then to create trust as an ecosystem. Have one team united with common mission and common purpose. If the leaders of the future can adapt to use the acronym, we'll have a lot of successful tech leaders in the industry going forward.